Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Our family was blessed with a 2-week adventure on the beautiful island of Curaçao. We decided to make the most of our stay by choosing a different Airbnb each week, giving us the chance to explore different parts of the island and more of what this paradise had to offer. Join us as we highlight the unique charms of each Airbnb and the mix of experiences that these different locations allowed us to enjoy. We spent our first week in a spectacular beachfront villa in Wespunt called Miramar. It's hard to beat waking up to these breathtaking views.
The ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know.
Every morning, friendly iguanas came to say hello and have breakfast. There was plenty of activities nearby. We spent our days visiting the beaches of the west side, all just a few minutes away by car. For example, Grote Knip, which is considered by many people as the best beach in Curaçao. Playa Lagoon, a smaller beach but such a great snorkel spot. Beautiful Playa Calqui, where you can swim out to floating docks with chairs. This beach has amazing sunsets. There's also Klein Curacao. And just a few steps below us was the relaxing Forti beach. Unlike other nearby beaches, this one has brown sand and tiny smooth pebbles. And from the restaurant up top, you get dizzying views of the turquoise Caribbean Sea. At this beach, cliff jumping is a must-try adventure. Jumping into the clear blue waters from a 12-meter or 40-foot cliff is a thrilling experience enjoyed by locals and tourists alike. If you're up to it, follow the narrow path between the restaurant and the cliff edge and take the leap. A short swim away, we discovered Piskado Beach or Playa Grande, where you can swim with turtles. We also visited the Watamula Hole, where we watched the sea waves explode through the bottom of the rocks. Not to be missed. We were warmly greeted by our host Charlotte, who was not only kind but always available to make our stay even more enjoyable. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It was great hosting you.
It was time to say our goodbyes to our friends, the iguanas. As our first week came to an end, we embarked on a new adventure at BlueBay Resort for the second half of our vacation. This time we stayed at the beautiful Villa Guisa, which the owners Carla and Diego named in honor of their kids Guillermo and Isabella. Curaçao was one of the port of calls during a cruise and they immediately fell in love with the island. 7 years later, they had bought their dream villa, which they now rent out when they're not in Curaçao. We absolutely love their little piece of paradise. It's not just a stay, it's an experience. The villa comes with access to a gorgeous shared pool, which was a big hit with the kids. BlueBay Resort boasts a pristine beach complete with a restaurant, a bar, and facilities. There's also a diving school, a 18-hole golf course, and tennis courts. We even spotted some flamingos. But what we loved the best about this villa was its wraparound balcony with large sliding doors that created a seamless transition between the indoor and the outdoor living. It was the perfect spot to unwind after a day of exploration. Or in the morning to relax with a coffee before the whole family is awake. My zen moment. Okay, let's explore from above. There was also many activities to do from this location. For example, we explored the colorful city of Willemstad. We took a boat excursion to the island of Klein Curacao. We swam out to a sunken tugboat full of amazing marine life. We enjoyed the lively MAMBO beach and even stopped at Goisko, which is the equivalent of our Costco. And nearby we found the beautiful Kokomo beach and the St. Michel salt pans where we were able to admire flamingos. Curaçao, with its vibrant colors and warm hospitality, has left an indelible mark on our hearts. If this video inspired you to explore the beauty and charm of this Caribbean paradise, check out our most complete travel guide with 53 do's and don'ts, which will help you plan your dream vacation in Curaçao. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Happy travels!